recorded like 8 minutes for nothing because my mic was not recording because of the cable. So what I was explaining for you guys was the higher lows and where are buyers and sellers standing for, and I started marking up like the where are the sellers, where are the buyers, like resistance levels, like support levels. I started marking that, and you have two indicators that are sessions and pivots, high and low. So for not confusing you guys, I will end up only using sessions, so you can guys see where the volume comes to the charts. So here in 1 hour, we can see that we have here a swing high, and I can, okay, here it's more not confusing at all. So we have a swing high like here at the 4500 level, and we know that here are the sellers standing and pushing price down. So we here don't trade, and here we start marking up our chart. And when we see a 4-hour candle like this and inverting like the trends, because this candle closed below this one, right, inverted the trend obviously, we know that this level where our sellers standing for are the next level we will aim for a trade, a long, because gold is in a bullish trend and we want to take longs and take buys on gold. So we have some consolidation here and ended up making a lower low in this trend, but in 4-hour, if you see, probably ended up making a lower high, yeah, because this was the last swing low, if you want, and this was the other swing low, and then it pushes at 2 o'clock in my UTC, like time zone, ended up volume coming up. And what happened here is that this candle closed above these swing highs right here, these double tops, what you want to call it. And I use very much that where when candles close above, like if you are in a consolidation, like right here, right, like here is a consolidation, right here, this is for me is a consolidation. When a candle closes above the consolidation, we have our indication right there. We have our indication, and we will wait to price to retest these highs, the consolidation, or if it was to sell the lows, but yeah. And we place a trade and aim for the last swing high where our sellers standing for. Okay, this is not complicated. What is more complicated in trading is the psychology, and I talk a bit in my last video about that, but it's in Portuguese. If you want to see, use subtitles are available. But yeah, now we ended up marking up this swing high, and we can see. And what I expect now, really, daily closed delicious. Like we are aiming for this swing high now, for the all-time high. We are aiming for that. We made this week higher low, and then we are aiming to a higher high. And let's do it for gold for by now. We are aiming for that. To explain you more our markup charts, like this is more. This is sellers pushing price down and buyers pushing price up. I see the market like that way, and I want you guys to see that way because it's simplest way to see the market. Like here we can see that we have sellers pushing price down, but here we see that we have buyers pushing price up, right? And this is the very most common zones that you want to mark up on your charts, is where are resistances levels and where are support levels. And it's basically that if you see some consolidation and you have a candle going up out of the zone of consolidation, you can put a trade on the retest. It's always probably a retest, okay? It's not that complicated. Here we can see too, I want you guys to know, here we have this swing high, right, at 4500, and I want to take this zone out, and the consolidation was right here from Thursday, Friday. Yeah, this is a complicated trade. Like, this retest was not so confident that probably this candle comes here, take some liquidity and take us to a new swing high right here. But I was not so confident on this trade because we were in the zone of consolidation and I don't want to put any trade. But yeah, in 4 hour we close really good. In 1 hour we don't close as I was expecting because we don't close above this high, but in 4 hour and daily we close so much good. In weekly we could probably see some candle right here this week. Let's see what this week brings. But it's this mentality that I want to pass you. Like, here is buyings pushing up. You can see by this candle that has so strength at 8 o'clock by night, right? This is buyers here standing up on this level, and you want to have these levels marked up for futures scenarios that can form up on your charts. I can explain you some here on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is some range here, is ranging in this range so much big, right? But we can make some small range, like we are in a range for here and here. Like, this level was not before a level until this candle come here. We know now that our buyers sitting up at this level and pushing price up. So the next thing was, what are we gonna do is right here, like, price touched this level 2 times, so our sellers sitting up here and buyers sitting down here. So we want to Nasdaq form close a candle above or below this zone, and we can enter in a retest. Basically is this, and you can, it's probably simplest way, but you have to have the ability to see the price action and how the market moves. This is it's a time game. Like, it's not not day by night like game. It's a time game. Like, in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, I don't care it. Like, in probably 1 year, seeing charts and price action, you can see some things, but by 2-3 months you can't do nothing about it. But yeah, it's all of that I want to tell you guys. If you have any doubts, you can contact me on my Discord community that is in the description. And yeah, thank you for seeing the video. Peace out.